Minasan, konnichiwa. Let's go on learning next few kanjis in JLPT N3. Let me share my screen. The first kanji is te. Now, if you remember, we have seen one kanji as te in the last video as well. That was yote, shite. Yes, this te is different from that. Tesha, stop a vehicle. Basate, bus stop. So te is in context with stop. Okay. Tesha, basate. See the kanji symbol, 11 strokes. This is a radical of a person and this part. This kanji, it's better to write it and remember because you cannot directly split it into different parts. Okay. Then next one is say. Say from seri. Seri is tidy. Seri can number ticket. Say. This kanji is there in tadashi, that is correct, and this two parts. So you can divide this kanji into three different parts. Okay, say, seri or seriken. Then next one is ken. Ken for ticket. Chusha ken. Chusha is parking. Chusha ken, parking ticket. Josha ken. This jo is to norimas, that is to ride. Okay, noru, that is to ride. So riding or boarding ticket is joshaken. Then kaisuken, commuter ticket. Su is for number. Kai is times. Okay, so multiple times. This is like a commuter ticket. Pass. Kaisuken. Okay, ken is ticket. Now you can see that this part is something similar to kanji of un or fun. It's looking like that. This stroke is different. It's looking like that. Next one is gen. Gen is actually in the context of original. Okay. Genkin, cash, real money. Genkin, cash. Yogen, expression. And aravareru is to appear. So gen, you can see that this kanji is of miru, mimas, to see. That is I and these two strokes, mimas, miru. And this part is added to that kanji, that is gen. It's a simple kanji to remember. Then ryo. We have seen many words with this kanji. Ryoshin, ryogai. Ryo, both sides. Okay. So this ryo is cars on a train. Number of cars. Okay. Ryoshin, parents. So ryoho, ryoshin, ryogai. In these words, this kanji is there. And it is, you can like both sides. So you can relate it to weighing balance with two pans. Okay, it can be like a mnemonic hint to remember this kanji, ryo. And then next one is kaeru. Kaemas is change or exchange. Tori kaeru, exchange. Ryogae, exchange. Ki gaeru is changing your clothes. Ki is from kiru, kimas, to wear. So changing what you have wore is ki gaeru, changing your clothes. Now see this. This is he or sun, kanji of sun, and these two parts. That is kaeru. So you can divide this kanji into three parts to remember it. Then you or yasashi. Yasashi, kind. Okay. You senseki. This is a commonly seen word where you have priority seats in the train. You senseki. Seki for seat. Yusen, priority. Being kind with people. So, Yusen seki. Then, Jo Yu is actress. Jo for woman. This kanji is of onna. Jo Yu and actress. And Yasashi. Yasashi is kind. Kanji symbol is a bit complicated because it has many strokes. It is with 17 strokes. Person, then this and this part. Okay. something like heart is there in between kanji of kokoro. Then this radical we have seen in some of the kanjis like kaku, if you remember, in kakueki, this radical was there. So it is combination of different radicals. Okay, you or yasashi. The next one is za. The reading should be za. Za seki is seat, or seiza is sit on, seiza, or suwaru. Suwarimas is to sit. So this reads as za or suwaru. These readings should have been written here. That is za or suwaru. Okay, these are the readings. This is wrong. Please neglect this. Ignore this. Za or suwaru. Za seki, seat. Seiza, sit on. And suwaru is to sit. The verb to sit. And the last one is oriru or furu or ko. Orimas, to get down. It's opposite of noru. Okay. Koshaguchi is exit for getting off. Kosha is getting off of the train or bus. Okay. Koshaguchi, exit for getting off. Then oriru, to get off. Iko is after. And furu, to fall. This E, if you remember, it's the kanji in limits. Ika or ijo, igai, inai, iko. Okay, so these are the different words with this kanji E, that is for limit. See this kanji symbol again, this beta, this radical from kaku, and this part, something looking similar to kanji of gyu, that is from gyunyu. Okay, or ushi, kanji of cow. It's looking similar to that, only this stroke is, in this kanji it is here, and in this radical it is here. That is the difference. It's looking like this. So again, this you can divide into three parts, oriru or furu. We have seen te, se, ken, gen, ryo, kaeru, you or yasashi, za or suwaru, ko, oriru or furu. Okay. Now let's read these words. Basute, bus stop is basute. Then genkin, genkin. This one, remember this kanji with two pans, weighing balance, ryo, ryogai, ryogai. Kado. This one was seriken, number ticket, seriken. Then ryokin bako. This one is hako, box. Ryokin bako. In the word, this becomes bako, ryokin bako. Next one is yusen zaseki. Sugi, tomarimasu. Sugi, next, tomarimasu. O ori no kata wa kono botan o oshite kudasai. Okay, it's written here, Tsugi tomarimasu. This light will glow if you press that switch. O ori no kata wa kono botan o oshite kudasai. Yes, Yusen Zaseki is priority seat. And these are the different words written on the ticket machine. Okay. Yes. So that's all for today. See you in the next video with some more kanjis.